That Coldplay.
Oh yeah, that's lovely.
Clocks.
Very good.
Oh, that's
That's
fine.
transcribed, yeah.
Do you wanna
go? That sounds like tea for two.
That's the Arctic Monkeys.
Ah,
Look good in the dance. I'll bet you do look good in the
that's
dance.
for. I don't. Oh, that's Kaiser Chiefs, Ruby.
Oh,
Not very good. Not a very good ringtone.
It sounds like the battery's running out of your phone.
that's Killers.
Somebody told me.
That's a good one. Yeah, this is our show.
That's us.
See, that's a ringtone.
That's a ringtone. That's
That
quite
is a proper
complex.
ringtone.
Guess the biscuit. That's a Kit Kat.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely Kit Kat.
This is more difficult.
This feels like a
a
breakaway.
breakaway, I would say.
Whoa.
Let's have a look.
Or a domino. What's that? That's a weird.
Alright. It's definitely a breakaway.
Oh, that's too easy.
It's a wagon wheel.
Wagon wheel. And it's tiny.
Yeah.
Remember when they used to be like the size of wagon wheels?
Right, there you go.
That's a jammy dodge. That's a jammy
Dodger. It is a jammy Dodger.
That's a tonic sea cake.
You can tell by the weight of that. You can put that in the back of the hands and be able to tell that. By the weight of that, that's tonic's tea cake.
Oh.
Thicker.
That's a
Custard cream. I don't like custard cream. You're on it.
No.
Aha, he had them up his arse.
I mean it.